Hello everyone, this is Kobe from Good Sense. Today we've arrived at the Canton Fair. It's the first day of the first phase of Canton Fair. Let's get in the fair. Here we are, in the Canton Fair. As you can see, there are many people here. There are around 40% Chinese and 60% foreigners. Canton Fair is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 has electronics and appliance industry. Phase 2 has housewares industry. Phase 3 has children, maternity, and home textile. Welcome to Good Sense's booth. Located at Hall 11.1 G 102 FF 4748. Good Sense warmly welcome everyone to our booth. My name is Kobe. See you at the 136th Canton Fair. Bye bye.